Are you looking to connect your Practice Better account to a custom domain but don't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make it happen and also discuss whether Practice Better is really the best tool for the job. First, let's jump right in. To connect your Practice Better account to a custom domain, the first step is logging into your Practice Better admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. From there, look for the Custom Domain tab, which is where you'll be making the changes. This is where you can set up your own custom domain for your account. You'll need to have access to your domain provider for the next steps, so be sure you have that information ready. Next, once you're in the custom domain settings, you'll be asked to input your custom domain. This is where the process can get a bit tricky. Practice Better recommends that you enter your custom domain without the www prefix, but you should verify this with your domain provider just to make sure it works smoothly. After entering the domain, Practice Better will give you a set of DNS records that need to be added to your domain provider's dashboard. Now, the fourth thing you need to do is log into your domain provider account. You should have access to a DNS or domain management area. This is where you will add the DNS records that Practice Better provided you. The exact steps will vary depending on your domain provider, but generally, you will look for an area labeled DNS settings or DNS management. In this section, you'll add the provided records. After the records are set up, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect. Don't panic if it doesn't work immediately. DNS changes often require some time to propagate. Be sure to check your domain again after some time, and it should be working fine. Finally, once it's all set up, you can test your custom domain by navigating to your URL in a browser. If all goes well, you should see your Practice Better account seamlessly operating under your new custom domain. Now, before we wrap up, I want to give you an honest opinion on Practice Better. While it does offer custom domain connection, the platform itself is not perfect for everyone. The setup can be a bit complex for beginners, and at times, you might encounter issues with DNS propagation. Plus, while Practice Better provides a good range of features, if your goal is scalability or a more advanced user experience, it may not be the most intuitive for long-term growth. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I've found a great alternative that not only offers easy custom domain integration, but also brings a more robust set of features designed for businesses that need a bit more from their platform. The best part? This alternative also offers a free trial with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. To get access to the best deal and exclusive benefits, be sure to check out the link in the description. Plus, you'll get an extended free trial of this alternative, which could be the perfect fit for your business needs. So, be sure to check that out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to explore the alternatives I've mentioned in the description for a smoother and more feature-rich experience.